All right, hi. I'm at Kyle Marshall Racing. These guys are trotters, pacers and trotters?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. All right. This is son of Mac or Luca. Anyway, I just wanted to show you something. He's messing with his mouth. I don't know what that's about. But if you can see these lines in your horse, if you see these lines, it's obviously what happens is he's bracing his neck. Now, the difference between if he saw through the lower part of his neck, I'm not going to play with that, or if he saw in the upper part of these lines. These lines mean this muscle that goes through here that braces the whole neck is actually sore. So if I look through those, you can see that, all right? They're the things that you're looking for. So if you see these lines and you use a massage unit or whatever, I'm just going to do my thing, and use a massage unit or your hands or whatever you want to use, you're wasting your time if you have these lines doing this lower part because it's not here. It's in the thing called the serratus. You can use a massage gun really easily through here. He's pretty cute. Anyway, you can use the massage gun really easily for that. So in any of your horses, if you see lines through that part, and that's fine, but he's a colt and he's a bit of a dick, but he's cute. If you see those lines, massage through that part, okay? So you don't have to worry about looking down here, just go straight to there. Thanks, Soph.